one says try on all strings. So the first one is open 1, open 2, open 1, open 2. Let's do that on the A string, and we're going to do it twice. 1, 2, ready, go. Now both fingers. Open 1, open 2. Beginning. Good. Now let's do that same one, but over on the D string. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. So the next one is open, 2, 1, open, open, 1, 2, open. So it's a little bit tricky. It's going back and forth. So let's do it once. We'll reset and do it again. We should do it on the E string. So shoulders doing all the work. I have a nice straight wrist. And I'm going to pull those fingers in nice and tight over on the E string so that my wrist is still straight. We don't want to have it curved in weird ways. All right, so the second one. Ready, go. 2, 1, open, open, 1, 2, open. Good. Do that again on the E string. Ready, go. Good job. So let's look at the third one. It says 3, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 3, 1. So we need to make sure that that second and third finger are nice and tight together. So 3, 2, 3, open, 3, 2, 3, open. Let's do that twice, and we're going to do that on the D string. I'm starting with all 3 of my fingers on the D string. Ready, go. 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. Again. Good. Remind me a little bit of Nightmare Before Christmas, if you guys have seen that. Okay, the last one on this page. Open 1, open 1, open 2, open 2, open 3, open 3, open 2, open 2, open 1, open 1. When I'm doing this, and I'm using 2 or 3 fingers, I'm setting them down at the same time. So I'm doing open 1, that's pretty easy. Open 2, open 2. I'm setting both my first and second finger down at the same time. Open 2, open 2. Then open 3, all 3 at the same time. I'm keeping that same setup with my fingers. So let's do that last one on the A string. And we're going to do it twice. Ready, go.